Yeah. So all of you have been overwhelmed at least once in your life when you've been to places like McDonald's or KFC, wherein you see a large meal display and you can't figure out for your life what you want. That is because usually they don't show the cheapest ones and they only show you the expensive ones at the start. And also the prices also will not be there properly, and you have to sit and calculate in your mind, like was suppose what is 128 plus 143, how much will that be, will it cross my budget, and should I cancel it again. It's a really awkward position to be in, and people will be waiting behind you to order more, so that will be even more awkward for you to quickly select what you want. You usually end up with something more expensive than what you want, or go for something very cheap which is not good at all and you regret buying it. So worry not, we have an app for you. So this app basically has a GUI which will ask you certain questions, and based on that questions it will give you three combinations. The combinations which are mentioned here, that is like this is for something this is for one of the combinations. So like this, based on whatever you select, it will display that and tell you exactly how, I mean, what is the best combo for you. And do note that this CSV file has been manually written by us, as we do not have the McDonald's API. So this file might have many errors in the prices or even the item names for that matter. So please ignore that. This is just for demo and trial purposes. Yeah, and one more problem with this, the only major problem we face here with this is that the CSV file is not static. I mean, it's static, so it's not dynamic. So if there's any change in the value, we need to manually change it, or if there's any deletion in the menu, we need to manually change it, and that's the major problem. And this is, as we are beginners, this is completely made out of Python, but there is a lot of potential for this, as we can easily integrate machine learning model into this, and hence we can give more personalized and more better recommendations than whatever we have done. So this has lots of potential in the market, so we can easily, it will help a lot of people choose what they want easily. And as far as our research is gone, this is the first one which actually does this. So let me demonstrate how this works. So if I run this code, I'll get actually a Tkinter this GUI pad here, but I don't know, the recording software might not record this, so I'll be attaching a few screenshots along with this so that you guys can know how it looks. So first, if I select non-veg and I want a meal and I want sides, and if I press no to the other two and find the best combos, it will actually show me the best combos here. That is the American cheese supreme meal and chicken McNuggets is all. So I do mind that this is the best combo according to the bang for the buck. But if we integrate a machine learning model, we'll get the truly best combo. This is just for demonstration purposes here. Now, if I rerun this, I'll get another one example. I'll show you guys. Now, I want veg. I just want sides and drink, and I don't want a meal and a burger. So if I press that, I'll again get three combos for this. So we've integrated many such different combos so that it will be easier for the person to choose whatever he wants, and he can only decide for himself. And do note that we haven't included individuals like only burger, only meals, because that will be really easy for the user only to figure out. We've only done combos wherein it's difficult for people to sit and add numbers like 112 and 259 or 199 and then 170 and 100, so that they don't get confused. And also it shows everything in the menu. At least that's what we have planned, but we couldn't get everything in the CSV file on time. So this is just one basic of the this thing. And do note that